So that is it for ChatGPT. I hope it was useful for you. So now you have text to put on your profile. And what about the different pictures and logo? So for visuals, an app that you can use is Adobe Express. So Adobe is something that is very well known into the design community. And what is nice with Adobe Express is that it's a web and mobile app design tool that will allow you to create visually appealing graphics and videos very easily. And now it's including a lot of AI technology so that it's even more easy to use, even for people that are not at all in the design department. So how can it be useful for MSMEs? Well, Adobe Express offers a very wide range of templates and easy-to-use design tool, and it makes it very accessible for all users of all skill levels to produce professional quality content. So for that, we will use Adobe Express to create a logo. So you can open this website, and we will create very easily in a few steps a logo for your business. So you should arrive on a website that looks like that. And we will create together a logo. So we can simply start by clicking on Create Now. And the website will start by asking us, what is your business name or organization? So here again, I can take the example of Coastal Essence Oil. Then you will select the industry. So you have a different range of industry, and otherwise you can put other. And you can put a slogan. So I will choose one of the slogans we had before. So for example, let's take the first one. We can now copy and paste it in the slogan option. So this is how you start. You simply put your business name, your industry, and the slogan that we generated before. Once this is done, you can simply click on Next. And here the website will ask you to choose a style. So here you can choose something that is simply visually attractive to you. You can use the colors you like. If you like a specific font, something that you think reflects your business the best, it's really up to you. So for me, as I feel like I'm a business in Ghana doing coconut oil, I'm in the beauty product sector, I want my business to reflect really the nature of Ghana, then I will maybe like this one that is called organic. So I will click on this one. Then I can click on Next. And here we can choose an icon. So as my business is in coconut oil, I will simply type coconut. And then we have multiple icons that are suggested. So again, you can simply pick one that you like. For example, I like this one. And you can click on Next. Finally, they ask that we can choose a logo to customize, so a logo that we like in terms of colors and fonts. I like this one, for example, so I can click on Customize, and automatically Adobe Express will create the logo using the icon we selected, our business name, our slogan, and a generic style that we liked. So here, if you want to go a bit deeper, you can change the colors or the fonts. But if you like it like that, I think it's good enough, then you can directly download it and you have a new logo for your business.